Hey you guys, welcome to the video. Thank you so much for being here. Today I am sharing some cleaning motivation for you guys with a deep clean of my bedroom. I had noticed the walls and a lot of things were very dusty in this room and my allergies have been acting up. So I decided it was time to get in here and do a really good deep clean. So I am starting by moving my furniture away from the walls so I can clean and vacuum behind them. Here is a look at what my baseboards were looking like back there. As you can see, lots of dust and cat fur and a little dead bug. Like I said, I pulled out the two dressers that we use as nightstands, and I just started vacuuming with the hose attachment back there really well. And to clean the walls, I like to use my Swiffer sweeper with a dust cloth attachment, and that seems to work out really well for me. One of the white stripes on my walls are painted in a high gloss white, and I can just see fur and dust and just nasties caked on there, so it was really satisfying to get them clean. So I'm just making the rounds on the walls to make sure I get all the different areas. And then I am doing the same thing on the other side of the bed, pulling out the dresser, cleaning behind there.
Break, always fight, never quit.
And then I went into beast mode and moved my bed back from the wall. I actually did use some of those furniture sliders, and behind my bed was super dusty, so I really gave that a good clean with the Swiffer dust cloths.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy.
And then another thing that I knew I wanted to tackle in here was cleaning the fan light fixture above our bed. So I stripped the bed down, started a load of laundry with some of my bedding, but I left my mattress protector on just so I didn't get dust all over the mattress, and gave my fan a really good cleaning. This light fixture was installed about 1.5 years ago, and I don't remember ever cleaning it, so I think this was my first time. So my cleaning process basically consists of dusting with a Swiffer cloth, vacuuming, and then wiping down with a alcohol-based disinfectant. And now I have moved over to my, what I call a fodenza. And again, I am giving the walls a very good dusting. Then I'm giving my solid wood headboard a good wipe down with some furniture polish. Again, it definitely had been quite some time. I can't even remember the last time I did this. Then I manhandled my nightstand dressers back into their places. And then I also gave my table lamps a really good cleaning. There was a lot of dust on the shades, so I used a damp cloth on those to wipe them down. Now, I read years ago, I feel like on a Pinterest article or something, that you can sprinkle baking soda on your mattress to kind of refresh it and then vacuum it. So I do that every now and then. I don't particularly feel like my mattress smells, but I like to feel like I'm keeping it clean. So I did sprinkle some baking soda on it, let it sit for an hour or two, and then I came back with my vacuum with the upholstery cleaning attachment and gave that a really thorough vacuum. Since my mattress is white and the baking soda is white, I wanted to make sure I got it all. I don't know if that actually does anything, but I suppose it gives me some sort of peace of mind. And then I also rotated my mattress because I also read that you're supposed to do that. Here's a look at my clean bedroom. This was definitely a super satisfying deep clean. It felt really good to look at everything when it was done. If this video motivated you to do some deep cleaning in your home, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed for more lifestyle content. Thank you guys so much for being here with me, and I'll see you in my next video.